Alright guys, so here is my game that I made. I used the video tutorials to make this maze. I spent a good 5 or so hours on it. Took me a while to get through everything and make everything just the way I wanted it. So I'm collecting these cubes right here. They're spinning and rotating. What I found is that the keypads are a little bit touchy. And yeah, so I'm going around just collecting these guys. I made the walls and the ground some different colors and played around with some of the color schemes and also with the rotating blocks that I have to collect. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with it. Spent a good amount of time on it. Got a little frustrating with some of the code stuff, but overall it was good. Um, yeah, so I think there's 9 or so of these that I have to collect. Whoa, yeah, see that just the mouse is really touchy on these. I'm sure that you guys have also figured that out as well. But it's a very cool program, Unity, and I might mess around with it and do some other things with it. And maybe advance myself with some of the tutorials that are already on here as well. So yeah, see, it's just super touchy, but it's pretty fun. It's fun to play around with and fun to do as well. But yeah, it's definitely one of my favorite final projects through my semester, through my different classes. And after this, it's going to tell us that we are #1. So yeah, alright, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed my projects as much as I did.